Now today, we're gonna make one of the most slept on proteins when it comes to barbecue. At least here in Central Texas, it's gaining popularity. But to the rest of the country, you guys think it might be a little too dry. It's not something I wanna try. What are we talking about? We're talking about Central Texas style smoked turkey breasts. So let's get into it. All right guys, so to get started with this recipe, we've just got a regular old turkey breast. Now I picked up this one from my local grocery store, and it usually does come, at least at my store, it does come with the skin on. So we actually remove the skin. Just be careful. If you do put a little gash in it, like see, I'm not perfect here. I got some gashes in my turkey breast. It's not the end of the world, not really a big deal, but just kind of take your time and just kind of take that skin right off of your turkey breast. And then this is what you got, a skinless turkey breast that we're gonna get on our grill. Now we're gonna go ahead and season this up, and we're gonna stick with some Central Texas flavors here. And you guys know me, I gotta get that 16 mesh black pepper. Now my turkey breast is already moist, so I don't really need to use a binder because I think this is gonna stick just fine. But I go with the 16 mesh first, just simply because it's bigger granules and I want the pepper to be able to stick. If I put smaller granule rubs on first, we might have a hard time for this 16 mesh to be able to stick to this turkey breast. So that's why we put the pepper on first. Next up, we're gonna go with the Pit Boss brand Texas barbecue rub. Now this is gonna give a great color to this turkey breast here, guys. And it's just got great flavor in it. So that's why we're gonna put it on. All right, so now we've got this on here. We're keeping it nice and simple, guys. 2 rubs only. And it's gonna be packed with flavor, I promise you. Now we got this on this side. We're gonna flip this turkey breast over, and we're gonna do the same exact thing on the back side. We're gonna come with that 16 mesh black pepper, come with it as heavy or as light as you want, or omit it if you don't like that pepper flavor, but I kind of love that here. And then we're gonna get this barbecue rub on here as well. And now we've got this turkey breast all seasoned up. Touch it up here on the front, on the top side if you got to. We got this turkey breast all seasoned up, and now it's going to be time to get it on the grill. All right guys, so today we're going to be using our Pit Boss Navigator Series 1600 for this cook, and we're going to be running it with the Competition Blend Pellets. Now what I tend to do to keep my grill clean when I'm cooking is I like to put a catch pan underneath my protein to catch any drippings. So I actually put an aluminum pan in here that's going to reside right underneath our turkey breast, and it's going to catch all these drippings from the turkey. All right, so to boost up the flavor on this and try to get a little extra smoke into this turkey breast, we're gonna be using the Pit Boss Maximize Your Smoke Kit. Now this kit comes with a tube, it comes with a funnel, and it also comes with a butane torch to light it. So we just got some of our pellets, we got it through the funnel into our tube, we got it onto the grill, and we lit it up with our torch. And so now we've got a water pan in here, we've got this tube in here, smoking away, and we got our grill running at 250 degrees Fahrenheit. So hey, let's get this turkey breast on. All right, let's get the grill open here. Again, you can see our water pans in place. We got our smoke tube going. We're good to go there. So we're just gonna get this turkey breast put on right here. All right, so here we've got our turkey breast, and as you cook proteins on the grill, guys, y'all already know we don't just throw it on. We gotta form it up the way we want it. And so we're gonna fold this turkey breast right underneath itself so we get a nice little uniform little kind of a loaf. And we're gonna put it on our rack just like this. And it's better presentation at the end of the cook, but it also helps it to cook evenly when you kind of form it up like that and get it kind of uniform. So now we've got this onto our rack. We're gonna slide it back in place. We got our water pan or catch pan right underneath it. And guys, we're ready to close up this grill and get this cook going. All right guys, so we just got our turkey breast onto the grill. Again, it's rolling at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's getting that smoke bath. But I gotta ask you guys, okay? Again, a lot of people think that turkey is just too dry to be having with barbecue. So I'm curious out there, have you had turkey? Do you pick out turkey when you go to your local barbecue spots? Pop that down there in the comments section and let's talk about it. All right guys, we have just hit about the 1 hour mark here. We're gonna take a look at our turkey breast. And as you can see, the color is looking good on this thing. And let's see here. Yeah, the bark is set. That just means that the rub has adhered to the protein and it's not gonna fall off when I go to rub on it with my finger. So we're doing pretty good there. We'll do a temperature check here. We know we're not going to be close to being done, but we'll just check it just to see. And right now we're at a 96 degrees there. So we've got a ways to go. Internal, we're looking for this to get up to about 160, 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So we got a ways to go. So we're going to close it back up, slide that back in there, keep it going, bring you back in a second. All right, guys, now I just have to say this, okay? The Navigator 1600, man, I love this grill. A couple of things that I really like about this grill is how the lid just rolls back. It's not one of those you have to lift up. This one just rolls back right on top of itself. Absolutely love that. And you know what else I really like about this? It's got an accessory plug on the back side of the hopper. No more having to find another outlet to plug in an accessory that you want to use while you're cooking. You can plug it right into the back side of the grill, guys. Absolutely love that. So let me ask you guys, what grill are you cooking on, and what are the features about that grill that you love? Pop that down there in the comments section and let's talk about it. All right, back to the cook. All right, guys, we have hit our finishing temperature, and this is what we're looking like right now. And we're gonna go ahead and get this turkey off of this grill, and we're gonna let it rest, and I'll meet you back at the block. Now I've just got some aluminum foil here that's got some butter on it, and this is what we're gonna wrap our turkey up in. So we're gonna get it off the grill and get it wrapped. All right, so here we've got our turkey breast right here. We're gonna flip this thing over, breast side down, or top of the breast side down, just like this. We're gonna put some more butter right over top of it, just like this. And now we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up, guys. So no rhyme or reason to the way we wrap it. We're just getting it wrapped. Careful not to poke a hole in it. All right, so just like this, we've got this turkey breast off. We're gonna let it rest. All right, we are back at the block, and we got our turkey breast off of our grill. And guys, hey, this took us about 3 hours or so to get to our finishing temperature. I've let it rest here for about 30 minutes after I got it wrapped up. And now we got it here on the block, so let's check out this turkey breast. All right, so as you can see, we got a fantastic color on this turkey breast. I mean, just looks really good. Of course, we got that butter on here, so it's giving it a good richness and really juicy. So let's go ahead and get this turkey breast cut, and let's check it out. All right, guys, and there we go. Look at that turkey breast. I don't know if the camera is picking this up, but it's plenty juicy and just looking downright phenomenal. So let's cut this up here, and let's go in for that taste. All right, so here's our turkey breast, guys. Hopefully you guys are getting a really good look at that. But yeah, let's check it out. All right, cheers. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Guys, this is a fantastic turkey breast, and this is exactly what I'm talking about when I say, hey, we like us our Central Texas style turkey breast. Plenty juicy. You know, the Pit Boss Texas barbecue rub gave it a great color, and then that butter just gives it a good sheen when you unwrap it and get it sliced up. I mean, it's just impressive when you see that being cut up on the block. And guys, I'm not gonna keep talking about it. Y'all saw what I did. Go do that. Again, make sure you go check out all of the content creators, the ambassadors on our page here. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. I'm about to get into this turkey breast.